Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Dennis from Crypto Planet, also the Crypto Jew here and on Twitter. And today I'm going to be doing an updated analysis on ChainLink. And actually, in my group chat, we called the top right over here at around $4.60 something cents. Went a little bit higher, but we called it right around $4.58 or $4.60. And we told everyone to pull out. And past few days, I've been buying more, heading more, putting more money back in. I put some money in today. I borrowed some money from my bank, bought some ChainLink. Getting paid on Friday, and I'm gonna buy some more ChainLink then, depending on how price looks. Maybe I can see a better opportunity on Monday or Tuesday. So we're gonna see. But I'm definitely going to be purchasing more and more ChainLink right now, and I just want to give you guys some analysis on it. And what I see right here is the possibility of a bull flag that broke out and then failed, and now we found support right around the same area again. So I'm going to show you guys this strong support zone that price has gone to. I would say this entire area shows a strong demand for buyers. So we had the bounce over here that led us right back up to around $3 and a little bit higher than $3, and then over here, which led us to the previous all-time highs that are really close to $5, and right over here again. And somehow we had to move all the way down to about 0.001. I guess that's a flash crash, and probably all thanks to fucking CZ Binance. So yeah, let me remove that. And I'm going to show you guys another pattern that I see here. That was a bearish pattern that I believe has completed, which is a really good sign. Now this pattern is a bearish bat, and I would say this probably completes here. Actually, maybe right over here, and then here, here, and then here. I'm not sure if I'm doing that exactly correct, but as you guys can see, it came down to that bottom zone, and I believe we're bouncing up from here, and we can expect to breach these zones eventually. Just want to remove this. Now that's what I'm betting on. I'm betting on we reach these resistances right over here, and we have a really strong resistance in this area that we want to get past. And once we get past there, that'll be the third attempt to get past this zone, and I would expect us to go into all-time highs from there, which would be really nice to see, as I'm holding a nice bag of ChainLink right now. And I do expect this in the long term, as long as we stay above this area right over here. And I would show another support in case we end up falling again, and that would be right over here, just right at the top of this area right over here, where we attempted to break out before and failed. And as you guys can see, we wick right over to there before. That would have been a fantastic buy zone. One more that we have is right over here, this whole area right here. I don't expect these areas to be reached, but if they are fantastic buying opportunities. And I explain why I don't expect crypto to go to these much lower zones in my videos about what's going on with the economy right now and hyperinflation. As hyperinflation grows, we should see these cryptos come up from their bottoms as people worldwide look to find a different place to store their life savings, to store all their money, to store the money that the government is going to give them, so they can survive over the next couple of years as this recession gets worse and worse, especially in places like where I am right now in New York, where almost everything is on lockdown. Everything will be on lockdown soon, probably, in my opinion, and probably should, because of the spread of the virus and the fact that it can mutate, and we just aren't prepared for it, and we haven't been prepared for something like this. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for it getting so dark in the end, but hopefully it won't be so dark for you if you own crypto throughout all of this. So if you guys enjoyed this, make sure to give me a sub. Make sure to like this video. Follow me on Twitter. The link is down below. And make sure to join the Telegram chat so you never miss analysis or calls like the one where we called link dumping over here. You know, you can keep increasing your amount of your portfolio in crypto. All right, guys, take care.